Why is it so zoomed in so much?
Can everybody see my charts I have on the board? I mean on the wall. Look on the board. On the wall. Alright. So we've been talking about partitioning shapes, right?
Yes.
And when we partition, what does partition mean?
Partition means to like, you have to like, put them in portions of like, if you have a rectangle, you can like make them go any way you want, but they have to be in the same, like equal,
Same size.
same
So
size.
partitioning means that we're dividing or cutting it up into equal shares, right?
Yes.
So yesterday I had a video on there, and you had some squares, some rectangles like this, and you had to tell me how many rows it was divided into, how many columns, and then how many total rectangles it was, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so when I was going through checking the work, I noticed that some people were having problems trying to figure out how many rows and how many columns there were. So I decided, let me do a math lesson so that everybody can see it and understand it, okay? So when we think about rows are going across, side to side, and columns are going up and down, okay? Think about a movie theater. You have your rows going across, right? And then you have a column, okay? So when we divide things into rows and columns, we're going to draw our rows first, going across. And we try, I'm gonna put it over here. We try and make them the same size, right? Now, how many rows do you see here? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Noah, he's frozen. We have 5 rows, right? Let's count them again. Yes, Noah.
The computer just.
You were frozen for a minute. That's fine. Hey, Nora, how are you? All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, right? So when we're counting our rows, we're counting going down, okay? Now we're going to draw when we count our rows, we're counting going across. That was my fault. We're counting going across when we're doing our rows. Now we're going to do our columns. And when we count our columns, we're going up and down. So I'm going to draw some columns in here. Now, how many columns do we have? Let's see. 1. We're going to put them right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many columns do we have?
4.
No, we don't. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many columns do we have?
Not rows.
I know.
You said columns, not rows.
I said columns. How many columns do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now how many rows do we have? Let's count our rows again. I'm gonna put the rows here because we're gonna go across. 1, 2.